Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. You guys, it's time for an Arteza haul. Oh my goodness, the stuff I got. So let me start with the biggest thing. This is an 18 by 24. So I'm only going to be able to really show you the length and the style. You guys, this is a chalkboard and it's magnetic, so things will stick to it. So how cool is that? So 18 by 24 chalkboard. And this actually came in a combo pack. Let me grab that because this came with it. And it is a whole entire chalk set. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8 chalks and an eraser. So very cool again. And it looks like there's some magnets. I'm going to throw it on here real quick. Sure enough, yep. Look at that. Can't even shake it off. So, very cool. That came with a magnet. I'm super excited about that. The things that excite me are so funny. So, I'm actually going to leave that on the chalkboard. Set this off to the side and show you what else I got. If you know me, you know that I love the acrylic paint and I go through white like crazy. So I got a large just over 4 fluid ounces in the titanium white because I use titanium white all the time. Bob Ross used titanium white all the time. So of course having this much of it is awesome. All right, I've got a few more things. I've got to tell you, I saw this and at first I was like, I'm not real sure about it, because I don't just love the coloring sheets, but look at the size of this. It's so cute. It's a 6.4 by 6.4 inches. So this is something you can easily put in your purse. So if you are, out and about on a flight or traveling, you can just pull that out of your purse and be able to go ahead and do some coloring. So this is really cool. It has 72 coloring sheets. I'm actually going to open it up and see what we've got in here because it's so... All right, there we go. Oh, and while I'm opening this, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to put the link down below in case you want to buy any of the Arteza products. You guys, they gave me a discount coupon. So all you have to do is put in Beauty and the Stamper 8 and you can save. So yeah, look at that lion. I don't know if you can see it real well. But there's a peacock there. Oh, there's a fox. And a bear, an armadillo, a little panda bear. Ooh, I don't know what that is. That's cool. Anyways, there's tons of stuff that looks like there's a bunch of animals. And you can just pull them out. You can pull out one sheet at a time. Oh, and they're nice and thick, too. So, very cool. I decided that I do like this, and I like that this will keep it closed. So, yes, it's 100-pound paper, so no wonder it's nice and thick. All right, what else did I get? I'm going to show that one because it is more acrylic colors. Now this is the iridescent acrylic colors, it says here. You guys know I just love their acrylic paints. But look at these colors. Aren't those cool? I love this playful pink, this electric plum purple. We've got a glowing peach, fairy tale blue. But so cool. Let me see. Oh, and these are nice big sizes. And they have a matte finish to them. Oh, can you see the glow on there? Or is it just me? The glow is amazing. Oh my God. Oh, can you see that glistening glow in there? These are kind of... Oh, even that is like a pearlized... That's what it is. Iridescent is kind of pearl looking. I bought some iridescent colors at Michael's for a flow paint. The yellow you can't really see the iridescent too much, but it is like a nice bright yellow. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, this is a neon yellow, so it's a nice bright yellow. Ooh, and some lime green. But anyway, I bought some at Michael's, and it was cool. This is really cool. It's black, but it's really pretty and shiny with some gold in there. And I love the iridescent from Michael's, but I love the Arteza paint over any paint that I've tried. So, and that is not, they are not paying me anything to say that. I really do like it a lot. You see that I switched over and started using that in my my paintings and whatnot. Now, up until they came out with the flow painting, I still used the other paints that I did get from like Michael's and stuff. But now they've come up with the flow paint, so now I just use that, and I save because I don't have to buy Floetrol and all that stuff. But this, you guys, this is mica powder. I've used mica flakes stamping before, but this is mica powder, and it is, I've never used the mica powder before, but this says it's cosmetic grade, non-toxic, and it's got 60 colors in it. You can add it to your soaps if you're a soap maker. You can add it to your bath bombs. You can make nail polish out of it. You could make eyeshadow out of it. It's really cool stuff. I mean, I've been doing a little bit of research on it. And look at that. Look at how much, okay, first of all, look at how much powder is in there, okay? Then, let me show you the size of the little spoon that they give you. I have to open it up. They give you the little spoon so that you can take out the mica powder. I'm just going to cut it open. Look at the size of this spoon, you guys. Can you see that? It's so tiny. That little bit. In fact, it has to have a little lip to look. It's so tiny. Oh, it's kind of magnifying. Look at the size of it compared to my pinky, and I have a tiny pinky nail. Look at that. So tiny. So even though these are little tiny guys, one of these goes a long way. So I don't know, maybe we have to get into making our own eyeshadow, because there are some cool colors in here. Look at that. What color is this? Periwinkle Glow. So it's got, from what I was reading, it had, hold on, I gotta look at the back, but I gotta put that down. Here's all the colors. And I was looking, and there's a chameleon blue, a chameleon green, and a chameleon red. So let's see. I just love, like, I love their products so much that I have to sit here and, let's see, chameleon green. Here's a chameleon green. Oh yeah, it doesn't even look green in here. But it is, you can see all the different colors. It's like pearlized. So let me look real quick for that chameleon red or chameleon blue, whatever I come across. Oh, look, that is a chameleon blue. Can you see that? And when I hold it like this, I could see blue, but then I could also see red. Ah, that is so cool. Let's see if I can find the chameleon red real quick. Oh, here's a bubble gum. Look at that nice, pretty pink. Here's the chameleon red. Now, it looks like it's got red and a rusty color, a little bit of orangey color. It's really cool. if you know any ideas on what to use these mica flakes for, or not mica flakes, mica powders for, let me know. So I think I'm going to do a candle with it and see how that comes out. I'll do a video so you can see it, and we will play with these again. So I'm going to put this stuff right in there. And again, you guys, I'll put the link so you can check out the website. If you guys wanted to purchase anything, use that host code, Beauty and the Stamper 8, and save some while you're shopping. All right, beauties, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.